What's good, squad fam? This is a case, and in this case there's something that we're going to be using today. So today's video is going to be a custom bed modification for the WPL. I called it WL Toys in the first video that I had it in. Military truck, 1:16 scale M35. So in here, Gucci all the way, my guys. American flag, and I was just like, I had to put it down somewhere, so I put it in the bed of the truck, and well, look at that, it fits perfectly. So I'm going to do a little bit of a custom fit here. Yeah, I'm no tailor, but I can cut flags. I mean, I'm trying not to be disrespectful here, though. So simple materials today. We got scissors, pencil, really nice pencil actually, and some Tamiya extra thin cement. So I'm just going to be marking out the bits in the flag that are covered by the wheel wells. Then I'll cut those out. That'll be good. Now this pencil is nice because it can, like, you can erase it off. It's not permanent. Nothing's permanent. But yeah, let's start off by marking about the edge here. That's going to be the edge, so I know where to cut to. Then the other edge is right around here. Now you can do this with any flag. You can take, like, your Australian flag, your I don't know what other flags are either. You can take your Kyrgyzstan flag, all of these. Now I'm not going to do it perfectly, like on center, because I want these to be on the side and this to be on the side, and even though the flag won't be perfect, it'll look good. Right. Okay, so take the other measurements. That one's there. Make sure it stays lined up, though. Alright, that one's there. I'm actually not sure how this will turn out. I'll still upload it if it turns out really terrible, though. So, starting off, cutting into the flag, still, though. I'm trying not to be disrespectful here to America. That's where I live. Okay, so first cut in, and as I said before, this isn't going to turn out perfect, Then second cut is right here. Okay, then across, make sure that's all nice. By the way, these are fabric scissors, so just making things a little bit easier. So first bit is cut out, that'll go up there. Looks pretty nice so far. And the flag can just sit flush in right there. Next cuts going to be on this part. You can kind of see the mark there on the star. Try to keep this centered. Okay, cutting in. There we go. Then on the other side. There we go. And now coming across, make sure that's all lined up perfectly straight. Okay, there we are. And now we've got our flag and our two pieces of flag. Okay, so just going to make sure that this fits flush with the body. Yep, that's actually really nice. As you can see, that goes there. This goes up top. And this other flappy boy, goes on the bottom. So now, going to take the Tamiya modeling cement, and I'm going to start off with these two pieces on the top and bottom. Just give it a nice coating over the top, go around the edges. Okay. Make sure you have a nice coat and it's on there. Next, the flag goes on. Okay. There we go. Nice. It's already starting to stick. Alright. Now on the other side, on the bottom here. It's a little bit shinier. By the way, I will be going back to the regular video schedule pretty soon. I'm just uploading whenever I want. I thought I should do something a little bit special, you know? I'm not even sure that's in right. Yeah, I put that in upside down. Okay. Alright, it's a little mistake, you know, it's fixable. Just going to have to redo the top there. Coming in. Again. Nice coat. Okay. Sorry that my air filter is turning on. You know, I'd like to keep my lungs all good, not die. Okay, that's in. Now on the bottom, this is going to take a little bit more cement. Make sure to get up in the corners. Okay, go around the edges. Everything all good. By the way, guys, I know I haven't said this yet, and Christmas is over and Hanukkah's been over for a while, but Happy Hanukkah, Happy Christmas, Merry Christmas. Happy Christmas, actually. Thumbs up if you know what I'm talking about. Jesus Christ, I just said talking. Without the G, talking about. Happy holidays, happy Kwanzaa. Pretty sure my bus driver for school celebrates Kwanzaa. He told me happy Kwanzaa. He's a really nice guy. If you're watching this, cool bus driver in the morning, not the afternoon, you're cool. Okay, now the flag goes in. Okay, all nice. Okay, and that's it. Just a quick custom bed modification for the WPL M35 military truck. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. Hoping to hit 100,000 views by, or not 100,000 views, 10,000 views by about halfway through 2018. You know. Thanks for watching, guys. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and see you next time.